The Metropolitan Police is fighting a High Court battle over the way it has been sacking so-called rogue officers in what could lead to a landmark decision on its efforts to clean up the force. One of those officers, Sergeant Lino Di Maria, is bringing a judicial review against the force after he faced fresh vetting and has been left on the verge of dismissal. After a series of scandals within the Met, not least the horrific case of Wayne Couzens, Commissioner Sir Mark Rowley promised he would clean up the force for good, getting rid of the bad officers. One of the ways they went about that was to change the process, whereby past allegations against officers would be brought back up again. They may be subjected to a fresh vetting process, and if they failed that procedure, they could then be dismissed. Sergeant Di Maria is challenging the inherent fairness of the process being used against him. In the past, he was accused twice of rape, as well as allegations of domestic abuse and inappropriate behaviour. He denied all of the allegations, and none of them led to any criminal or misconduct hearings. However, the Met has brought those allegations back up, put him through a fresh vetting process in 2023, which he failed, and that led to him being up for dismissal. He says that his human rights have been breached and he's been denied access to a fair and proper hearing. This battle is being seen as particularly important for Scotland Yard as it seeks to clean up its reputation as a force. It's also being looked at by other police forces around the country as a test case as to the powers that senior officers can use in order to protect their force from so-called bad apples. The case in front of Mrs. Justice Lang is expected to go on for 2 days before she will deliver her ruling.